What's going on, everybody? It's your boy James. So today we're still doing our final walkthrough tour for our client, and this house right here we're doing a final walkthrough, and this is our first time checking it out, reviewing it before the client comes through, doing the final walkthrough with everybody. But just want to give you guys a final walkthrough, initially what our thought process are and whatnot with the house. So anyways, let's take a look at the exterior real quick. Everything looks like it's in tip-top shape. Move-in ready so far from the exterior. What we'll do is we'll start with the exterior and then we'll go inside, all right? So this is the Breaker collection. We're at the Surf Series, and it's a really nice house. Client purchased it for around in the 480-ish. But the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna check out the backyard, double check the fencing and everything. Make sure the fencing is good. Show you guys the fencing. All right, so fencing look like it's in pretty tip-top shape. How's it going, my friend? We have a walkthrough for this house in about an hour. Are you ready? Very good. All right, so they're just fixing some of the stuff right there just to make the house look nicer and getting ready for the walkthrough. All right, double check the fence and everything. Siding looks good. Yeah, I don't see any like picket fence that needs any work or anything. So, yeah, so guys, if you like this type of stuff, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. All right. Nice, looks good. They forgot to take that thing off? Huh? They forgot to take that off? The steak. Oh, the steak? Oh yeah, not a problem. Yeah. Okay. So they're just trying to make the house ready for the walkthrough, which is in about an hour. So we just got done touring the Surf Series. The Surf is done already, but let's tour this one. Let's go, my friend. All right, so start off with the garage. So the beautiful thing about this one is that it doesn't really have a battery, so that's really good. So the solar cost and everything is a lot cheaper. Exterior siding looks great. Let me take off my shoes before I enter the house. I mean, I don't have to take off my shoes, but I want to respect my subscribers because someone told me that I need to remove my shoes, which is not a bad deal. So house, it's in tip-top shape still. There's just a couple of paint touch-ups that I do see. I mean, they're still working on it, you know what I mean? I'll paint that corner right there. Right. Okay. Bathroom looks like some tip-top condition. I believe we went under a contract for around 460. So 4 bedrooms, 3 full-size bath, 2-car garage down in Clovis, California. Huge, spacious backyard. Okay. So we gotta double check everything. Well, normally they'll double check everything for us, but we're a little early, guys. About an hour before our appointment. You know, the sealed right there. Nothing major. I'll leave it out. Ouch. I'll leave it on the ground. I don't want to leave it on the ground. I'll leave it where it belongs. Right, I'll leave it where it belongs. And they have a checklist and everything too, so the house is not completed yet, but it's there. They just need to put that ceiling right there, just to make sure it's finished. I believe I heard somebody upstairs that I guess they're working on the paint and all that good stuff. Yeah, so they're gonna work on the seal right there on the bottom, which is good for the door, right? Yeah. But they're doing the final touch-up paint, which is really nice. I believe we're closing next week, so this house is complete. the cap up there for the alarm system. Okay. Alright, let's go upstairs real quick so that I can show you guys upstairs. Guys, if you like this type of stuff, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Learn how we can help you save a whole bunch of money when it comes to buying. I think my camera lagged, but we'll see. Just want to show you guys this. And if it's, I mean, it looks pretty good at me so far. Yeah. Bathroom looks really clean. Yeah, the guy was cleaning the whole place up, making sure it's ready. No need to do that. They were checking that area. Bedroom number 1. Looks good. I don't see any like marks or anything. It's just nice and bright. You know what I mean? House looks like some tip-top shape. AC's running, closet right there. Nice size backyard right there. Alright guys, let's keep pushing. Yeah, I don't see any marking or anything. In about an hour, we'll walk it with our client and see. You know, there's like a little smudge right there. We'll have them mark it with the blue tape. Yep. All right, guys. Well, that's pretty much it with this house, guys. If you like this stuff, don't forget to like and subscribe. All right, we're gonna be signing out. That's pretty much it for the tour, guys. Peace and love. Peace and love. Hey guys, are you ready to take the first step toward home ownership? Book your free appointment now and jump on our Google/Zoom meeting calendar at buywithpham.com and start your home buying journey and learn how we can help you save anywhere between $25,000 to $100,000 or more when buying. We'll go over all the programs that are available for you for first-time home buyer, teachers, doctors, police officers, and all the programs out there that can help you save thousands and thousands of dollars when it comes to buying. So guys, we're now serving the Bay Area, all of Northern California, including Sacramento area. Also, we have partner agents in Fresno, Clovis, and all of Central Valley, along with Portland, Oregon, Northern, Southern California, including Irvine's and also Orange County. So guys, if you're looking to save a ton of money when it comes to buying, jump on our calendar, go to buywithpham.com, and we'll go over all the programs out there that can help you save quite a bit. All right guys, look forward to helping you out. Peace and love.